Ford F150, one of the most popular trucks of all time, probably the best-selling truck of all time in real life. And this is the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels Race Team Edition. And some of you guys might know this one as F150, the champ, the fastest or one of the fastest cars to go down my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. And you can see those very unique wheels, and this was part of the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels Race Team set. That's going to be the first one that we look at, and unfortunately some of these ones don't fit into my little holder here, so these ones are going to have to go down on the bottom right here. Our next one that we got is a flamed out version. I like these wheels on it. They look pretty good. Nice chromed out interior, chromed out bed as well. We look at the front, that big chrome grille on that one. Nice flamed out variation of it. And then our next one, to complement the Hot Wheels Race Team version, we've got the Hot Wheels Zamac edition. And these are the 2009 Ford F-150s. I'll actually show you the bottom so you can see. There we go, 2009 Ford F-150, you can see right there. And these wheels are they're just a really unique wheel for this one. The Zamac edition cars, in case you guys aren't familiar with them, you can get them mostly at just Walmart in the United States. So if you're lucky enough to pick one up at the time, then you could have got that one. Our next color variation of the F-150, I like the tempo work on this one as well. Nice chromed out, blacked out wheels on there with the colored lip on there as well. And then the big nice chrome front end as well. Those are the 2009 F-150 variations. Then we move on to, this one came in a Ford truck set, and this is just a standard F-150. It's got some sort of like little racing flatbed thing on there, but it looks a little bit lifted. It's kind of cool, kind of different. I haven't seen any other variations of that one, although they probably do exist. I'll throw that one down there. Then we got a tuned out F-150. Check that one out. Check out the big, oh, like the nice inlet right there for that engine, the blower right there. Oh wow, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. F-150, I think this is supposed to be the Lightning. Yeah, it is, the Ford Lightning, F-150 Lightning. There we go, tuned up variation of that one. Then we get into some more of the normal variations, and then after that we got the Raptor variations. K&N air filter, and this one is, I think, a 2015 F-150, 2015 Ford F-150, as you can see right there. I like the blue colored variation. I like the K&N, the Ford symbol, the white Hot Wheels logo on the side of it, big chrome grille on there as well, and then the K&N on the top, and we can see, ooh, I like that sunroof, nice big open air sunroof on there as well. And do these ones fit? I think these ones just squeeze right in. There we go. We'll squeeze it right into there. We got a black variation next. This one has some like red trim on there, a little bit of gray on the side doors, blacked out wheels with the red lip. We can see from the front, looks pretty cool, nicely on there. And even the tampo work on the front hood looks really, really neat as well. All black on the back. We'll throw that one up there as well. We'll squeeze it in. There we go, just fits. Next one we have is a silver variation. Nice tampo work on the side of it, kind of like a pinstriping on there, the F-150. Nice off-roady tires on all of these ones. This one does have some nice tampo works on the back right there for that Ford logo in the F-150. And from the front end, there's that classic big grille on there. And the top of it also looks like kind of like a blue tinted window for the top, and also the side windows in the front as well. A little bit blue tinted on there as well. Throw that one up there. Ooh, can it just squeeze in? Let's just see. Okay, there we go. Okay, we just got it in there. Red is our next one. There it is in red, very similar to the previous one, except with the red. Nice tampo work on the back, blacked out wheels, chrome lip on there, chrome front grille, darker windows on this one, darker interior on that one, but red looks really good. Red's like a good all-around car color. I think there's not many cars that don't look good if they're red. All right, next up we have yellow. My favorite color, of course, Hot Wheels Rescue variation. So this is some sort of, I think it's like for like a beach rescue team. As you can see right there, kind of looks like the Baywatch colors of some sort for those rescue vehicles that they use, with the red on there and the yellow. And we got the nice blacked out wheels with kind of like a chrome red trim on there as well. This one has kind of the stamp for the Ford logo, but it's not actually tampoed on there, so it's kind of interesting. All right, we'll throw that one up there, and we move on next to the Ford Raptors. That's right, my favorite truck of all time. I love the Ford Raptor. I think it's just such a cool looking truck. And here we have our first variation of the Ford Raptor. We can see in the front the big Ford that comes across right there. That's kind of the classic Raptor. And this one, I think it, what is it? 2017 Ford Raptor. So there we go, 2017. So it's kind of the newer generation of the Ford Raptor, and this is just the, I'm not sure what they call it as far as cab, but it's like the short box one. It's not the quad cab. You guys can comment down below what it is actually called. And you can see the big Raptor logo on the side there. Oh wow, this one is really, really neat. We got lots of different color variations of the Ford Raptor. Next one we have is a white one. There it is, Raptor on the side, and the Ford logo's on the side right there. A little bit of writing Nito. I guess those would be the tire sponsor for this car. The Ford on the back, that looks really, really cool. And then we move to the front end right here. You can see that big Ford logo on there. And this is a matte white finished variation. So if you're looking for this one, keep that in mind. Very, very cool. Some prefer the matte, some prefer the gloss. I'm kind of indifferent depending on the car. Next we have, looks like to be like another Hot Wheels Rescue type color, but this one doesn't actually say anything rescue. It's got more or less just the yellow with the red. It kind of looks like splashed blood on it. A little bit cool. There we go. You can see it from the front end right there. And then on the back, there's that nice Ford logo on there. And then inside the box, nice sunroof and all that. We'll throw the yellow up there underneath the other yellow F-150. Probably the most classic color for a Raptor is the blue. I really like the blue. If I ever got a Ford Raptor, I think it would be in this blue color. I really, really like it. There we go from the front end, the nice gray look, and look at all the Tampa work on this one on the side, the big Raptor on the side of it. Blue looks absolutely fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. Then next up, we've got another white one. This one's got very similar Tampa work to the yellow one, this one right here. But as you can see, it's got kind of the same Tampa work, a little bit different colors, but the same type of color scheme on there as well. We look on the front, Ford, the nice Ford logo on the front right there, and there's that Ford logo on the back. And this one is more of a glossy type of white color, so it's not a matte finish one. There we go, throw that one up there. And next, our last but definitely not least, Ford F-150 Raptor is this green one, which recently came out, so it's a newer release one. I can't remember the exact set this one. I don't think it was a mystery one, but I really like the green. I think green looks absolutely fantastic on the Raptor. Like the kind of like tinted windows, the colored tinted window on there as well. And that Tampa work on the side just looks fantastic. There we go, Ford on the back. And then on that front, Ford on the front. All right, guys, you let me know which was your favorite casting of the Ford F-150s. Let me know any of the color variations of the Raptors that I'm missing. I don't know if I'm missing any, but if I am, I definitely want to know because I want to collect all the different color variations of the Ford Raptors. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.